So it would be two bay pin support frame like this one. So pins on the bottom as well as on top. I think we should put a lateral restraint like this one from here out of plane. Yeah. Yes. Now just two bracing in the inside.
Got enough? Yeah.
Okay. Bracing inside.
Oops, yeah, and you're doing the one I was going to say last. Do a brace frame at one end and a moment frame at the other, so then you can directly compare them.
So now lateral load, stiff.
Yeah.
Very stiff.
And if you pull the moment connections out, see if it makes much difference.
Pull the moment connections out.
To get some out of plane.
Yeah.
But it should feel roughly the same stiffness.
Yeah, it feels the same stiffness.
Yeah.
It feels the same.
Mm-hmm. So the moment connections just weren't doing anything because they're competing with the braces. And the braces are substantially stiffer.
Okay.
I'll give you some quick equations for that next class.
What if we just have the moment connection and just remove the braces? Then it'd be like sway frame.
Yes, it'll be a sway frame. And then if you add two more moment connections, it'll double the stiffness. So now if you push on it, you'll have a stiffness. And that's real flexible. But if we add in it should be twice as stiff.
Yeah, it's stiff.
Mm-hmm.
It's a really cool kit.